What do we have here? Yeah, exactly what it says. Yeah, that's it. All right, nothing to see here, folks. Keep it moving. It's supposed to be a 4-inch trifold. Now, I don't know. Hopefully it's a grower, not a shower, because it's definitely not 4 inches. The idea is, though, that it folds up in this little square.
Oh, yeah.
It's not too bad. And it'll just fit right behind the seat in the 4Runner, is my thinking. So, hopefully it works out. Alright, so here's how it fits inside whenever I'm, packed up for a trip or anything. Of course, I got you sitting on top of the fridge. I got my table right here. I got my 2 5-gallons. I got my Plano box. And then my trifold. It fits right here. Just perfect. So, of course, this is my sleeping setup right now, which consists of 2 1 1/4 inch sleeping pads that I picked up, the Coleman self-inflating pad, as well as a blanket and my sleeping bag. This is the new setup, which I'm very thrilled for. As you can see, it fits perfect in the little spot that I'd already had designated for my bed. Let's see what it looks like whenever it's fully out. Pretty easy setup, really. You just unfold it just like that, and let's see what it does. All right, so as you can see, it fits perfect right there in the little spot that I have designated for it. It's 4 inches thick. It's a memory foam. I don't think it can get much better than that. So from here, it's pretty self-explanatory, right? You simply get in, make yourself comfortable. After you're done camping and riding and overlanding for the day, you go to sleep in a nice foam bed. And I tell you what, it's pretty daggone comfortable. This is probably, so far, my best mod. I would say this is my favorite mod. So yeah, that's it. 4-inch memory foam sleep pad, trifold, folds up real nice, fits great, feels great. Do me a favor, if you want one of these, click the link right below and pick one up. Till next time, peace.